everybody, welcome back to my channel. So we are going to open up our Dia.com box and see what's in there. Not very much, I'm sure. I've not been having good luck with this, so I keep saying I'm going to cancel it, but it keeps coming. Ooh, it's stuffed. It's all stuffed to the rim. To the brim. Rim. However you say it. I've misplaced my box cutters. So I've taken to cutting myself on the boxes. Not really on the box, but with the scissors. Alright, so it comes with a card. It's got some outfit recommendations and so forth, so I don't want to open this yet. It also has the prices. It's like $20, $25 up front, and then that is credited to whatever you keep. Oh, I kind of like this. Alright, so it's just like a tunic top, but it's got a sleeve with like a little furry on it. God, it would look nice with leggings. That, maybe a keeper. Keeper. Although I don't do well with white. Alright, this is a dress. And it's just just an average dress, but I hate the pattern. So we will not be taking that. And they give you this bag. If I can find what I did with it. Right here, this handy bag. And you put everything, it's prepaid postage. You put everything back in. And that's it. So that can go in the bag. So it's a black jean jacket. I don't have one. And it's really stretchy. That is a maybe as well. Let's just hang on tight to that real quick. Let's see what we think about the pricing. Because get that stuff on LuLaRoe. Okay, so this package happens to have some piece of jewelry in it. And I can tell right now I'm probably not going to like this. I mean, I like it, but it won't be for the price they want, that's for sure. I feel like their price points are high. But what do I know? Well, maybe this is not that bad. It's kind of pretty. Yeah, so it's a long necklace. And then it's got this, like, tassel charm. So maybe, I bet you it's $20. I bet you it is. So we'll keep that in the box and keep it aside. It looks like the next thing is a pair of jeans. They always send me a pair of jeans, and it's like, I don't need jeans. Yeah, it's a pair of jeans, and they're straight cut. So I don't even. No need to go any further. Thank you. Thank you. No need to go any further. Alright. Now we're going to look at the price points on everything and see what we think. Like I said, comes in this cute little card, little pull out. Tells me how much the stuff costs. Oh my. Alright, so if I were to buy the whole box, I would get another 25% off, and it would be $187. Not doing that. So the necklace is $30. Not doing that. The jean jacket is $69. I'm probably not doing that either. That knit top with the faux fur is $49. $49. And then the boot cut jean is $69. And then the dress was $59 for a total of $276. I just don't know. I know I'm not going to get the jean jacket. So it's a toss between the faux fur sleeve, which I can wear with slacks. So it would be, yeah. So it's really down to this. And it's so soft. It's super, super soft. Oh, yeah. We're going to keep this versus the necklace. For $19 more, we're going to keep this. So it's $49, right? I remember right? Yes, it's $49, and they take the 20 off, so I'll have to pay $29. Oh, me, my nose. So that's about it. All I do is stick it in the bag and I send it back. So we're just going to seal that up. And have it all ready because we're going to the post office. Yes, we are. Okay, guys, that was my box for the month of February. I will try and keep filming these. I know I do, and sometimes I don't put them up. But, yeah, I will film that, and I'll insert a picture of that sweater with some leggings and see what you think. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.